Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Day 10 chemistry assignment 9th class. Topic nomenclature of the organic compounds. Our first question is, what is the lowest sum rule? So first of all, what is the rule 1? We have to identify the longest continuous possible chain with more number of carbon atoms. And second rule is, if any substituents are there, they should be get the least number as possible as. Next, in case of the one or more substituents are there or branches are there, then we have to allot the lowest number, and if we count the total numbers, that should be come as possible as low. The rule is called lowest sum rule. Next, coming to here example, CH3, CHCl, CHCl, CH2, CH3. Here we have the two options to allot the numbering. It is our longest possible chain. These two are the substituents. First method 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now which one is the correct one? Now in this one, if you count the position of substituents will be 3 and 4, then 7. In this one, position of substituent 2 and 3, it will be 5. So the sum of the substituent numbering should be low. The rule is called lowest sum rule. So it is the correct one, it is the wrong one. That is called lowest sum rule. Next, our second question is CH3, CHCl, CHCl, CH2, CH3. The ionic name of this compound is 2,3-dichloropentane. Explain why. So first of all, if you see this compound, according to rule 1, we have to select the longest possible continuous chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is our longest possible continuous chain. Okay now. Next one, these are the substituents, chloro group, chloro atom. These are the substituents present in the compound. Now we have to add the numbering. While giving the numbering, the substituents should be get the least number as possible as. Then we have the two options to allot the numbering. First option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But according to lowest sum rule, in first case position of substituents will be 3 and 4, it becoming 7. In second case, position of substituents 2 plus 3, we are getting 5. So according to lowest sum rule, the numbering order second one is the correct one. So the name of the compound, see here, in the second position chloro group there, in third position chloro group there. So 2, 3 dichloro, total how many carbon there? 5. What is the root word? Pent. And what is the primary suffix? All single bond, N, pentane. Next, our third compound, give the correct number for the given compound. So what is the compound here? CH3, CH, CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. First of all, we have to select the longest possible chain. So it is our longest possible chain. Maximum number of carbons will be 6. And these are the branches and the substituent. Branches are substituent. Total how many branches there? 2 branches and 1 substituent. Nothing but we can write as secondary prefix. No problem. Next, coming to here, by giving the numbering, the branches are the substituents should be get the least number. The priority according to their alphabet. Here second carbon methyl there. Here second carbon methyl there. But here chloro present on the third carbon. If we go like this, chloro group coming at third carbon. If you are coming from this side, right to left, the chloro group coming at fourth carbon atom. So the correct numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from left to right, we have to use the numbering. At the same time, we have to cross check the lowest sum rule also. Now our question is, which of the following numbering is correct? First option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here two carbons there. We should not take the two carbon as a branch. We can take this as a branch and numbering should be given this side. So first one is the wrong one. And second one, 1, 2, 3. A branch coming at third position, fourth position and fifth position. So here, if we come like this, the branch coming at second and third position. So what I want to say, according to lowest sum rule was wrong. If you give the numbering from this side, 1, 2, the branch coming at second position, third position, fourth position. But because of giving numbering this side, 1, 2, branch coming at third, fourth, fifth. So according to lowest sum rule, it is wrong one. It is the correct procedure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the branch coming at second position, third position and fourth position. If you add the sum of the branching position, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9. In this case, if you add the branching positions, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. So according to lowest sum rule, it is the correct option.